In this video, we're going to learn how to use the built-in accessibility checker from within Microsoft Excel. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. I have a sample Excel workbook open, and it's not accessible. My data is not entered as a table. I did not name my sheets. I don't have anything in cell A1, and we're just going to take a look at how to run that accessibility checker. First things first, let's select the review button. Then we're going to select check accessibility. And what's crazy is everything passes. However, this document is not going to be read appropriately to people using assistive technology. So we need to do a little bit to this document to make it accessible. I'm going to select all of my content. Then we're going to select the insert button and then select table. And our table has headers. That's step one. Then we're going to apply a style. We want to make sure that we have our header rows selected and possibly even first column depending on the table. Now in this example, I'm not going to have first column, but if I select the table design button, I also have room to give my table a name. We could call this total enrollments. In addition to that, I need to name my sheet. To do that, I'm going to double click the sheet and we're also going to name this table enrollments. Now what I like to do is insert directions into cell A1. This tells the user what they're interacting with and what the expectation is for them for using this document. I might put something like, this table includes information about the total enrollment from one university over the course of 4 years. And I've gone so far in some scenarios where we actually will put heading cells like start table in cell 2A, and we could even apply a heading style to it. For example, we can apply a heading level 1, and then at the end of the table we'll put end table, and we will then apply a cell style as like heading level 2. So this starts to frame the content of our Excel sheet and makes it way easier for someone using assistive technology to navigate it. And if you notice, our accessibility checker is still passing. So there are just some occasions where you can't really rely on the built-in accessibility checker, and Excel is one of those that it gives some good feedback, but it's really easy to make a document pass the built-in accessibility checker and it actually not be accessible. If you want to find out more about how I can help you get accessible, you can book a meeting with me right now. There's a link below this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you over in the next video.